Hello friends, welcome to the channel Physics by IITians. As our friends also in the comment section, they have told me that please continue with the series of light or optics. So I think that this is the right time. The polarization has been done and the questions are discussed thoroughly. If you have any problem, then please do comment on the comment section. If you find hard the polarization any topic, please do comment. And so today I am introducing a new topic in light, that is the laser. So laser is why I am choosing laser, because nowadays laser is something that research in and laser, I mean in physics research and laser are just like two are connected in somehow. In any field that you will get there is some application of the laser. Okay, so you should know about this, the laser. You all know that laser, the full form of laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Now, I will broadly discuss about how is the idea of laser come. Okay, who the scientist who the Jonas, his name is 1964. He won Nobel Prize for discovering laser, and he has some beautiful talk and he told how the idea of the laser come to his mind. So I will first introduce that thing. Then how can laser be achieved? Laser, how you will get something that will do lasing action. Okay. Then I will broadly discuss about the properties of the laser. That is, it should be monochromatic, it should be directional, it should be coherent. Now the thing is that we mark up the properties of the laser, but we don't know why is it monochromatic. What are the things inside the equations that make the laser monochromatic, makes it directional, makes it coherent? Why is it so? Because whenever in the equilibrium condition, at equilibrium there should be no phase correlation between the waves. But laser is something that each and up to some extent there will be coherence. So coherence means they will be in phase with respect to time and with respect to space as well. So what will happen that the individual waves inside the laser, laser means light, light means the electromagnetic waves. So laser is coherent means the electromagnetic waves are coherent. So how the electromagnetic waves are coherent? Because I can give you the expression that in case of laser, there we are doing population inversion, and population inversion is something that they are not in in thermodynamic equilibrium. We cannot use Maxwell-Boltzmann law. So whenever you are using thermodynamic equilibrium, there will be no phase correlation between the waves or among the waves. But whenever there is some kind of instability or unequilibrium, in equilibrium, you will get directionality, you will get coherence. And why you will get monochromatic light? How is it so? And what are the properties? Suppose you are for lasing, you need an active medium which is capable of doing lasing. Means you have to do population inversion. Suppose you have two levels, the higher level is E2 and the lower level is E1. So if suppose this is the population of the atoms at the level 2 is N2 and at the level 1 is N1. So for lasing you need to do N1 minus N2 is greater than, or N2 is greater than N1. Okay. So this is called the population inversion condition, and this is thermodynamic inequilibrium condition. Now I will discuss about the types of laser, that is solid state laser, gas lasers, excimer lasers, dye lasers, semiconductor lasers, and what are its applications. Also, if you we can classify laser in terms of its duration or pulse duration. One may be continuous wave laser, means you are getting continuous wave of laser, and another is pulse laser. Somehow you chop the pulses. Okay, and you will get pulse laser. So the pulses can be of the order of millisecond, can be order of femtosecond also, or in attosecond also. So what are its applications? So laser is a beautiful, this is a beautiful thing in physics that you can learn, and it will have it has huge application in any areas of physics. So I think you all will enjoy my teaching, my lecture in laser topic. So hopefully please stay connected and we will start our laser series from tomorrow. Thank you.